This is the fifth day of this trial, Deb. A lot happened today. The state rested. The defense began presenting its case, called 4 witnesses. And in between, the judge dismissed 2 of the 27 charges against David Linthicum.
It really just goes to the tenor of the whole case for us. So we think that more of them should have been, but that's where we are now today.
Reaction from the defense team as well as the defendant's father after the judge dismissed 2 of the 27 charges in the case, counts 11 and 12. But those 2 counts concerned you, that I know that you didn't want them to be charged in the first case. How do you feel about this?
It's taken too long, and they
Did you consider it a victory?
No, not yet.
The state rested its case this morning after calling 2 final witnesses. An ATF firearms expert who determined 21 bullet casings collected from the 2 shooting scenes were fired from the defendant's rifle, and an officer who transported David Linthicum to a hospital as a precaution after his arrest in Harford County. During cross and direct examination of its own witnesses, the defense argued, how can you believe anything said by members of a police department that trial testimony shows bungled its response by ignoring its own policies on evidence collection, body-worn cameras, and mental health crisis response, as well as crucial information collected by its own officers in the field. That officer, Michael Lynch, was the 4th defense witness. He told the jury he got to Powers Avenue shortly after the shooting and soon got a neighbor's Ring camera video. Recorded around 2:30 p.m., he said it showed David Linthicum walking out of his house and down his driveway with a gun in his hand. The officer said he sent it up to command and waited, and 4 hours later, nothing had been done with it, leading him to remark, everything is moving so slow. I can't believe it took them 4 hours to respond to the Ring camera.
I can only tell you what you heard in the courtroom today, that there was Ring footage that would have been relevant to the defense that the defense has not yet received, and hopefully we'll get to the bottom of it soon.
The defense told the judge, notwithstanding that outstanding Ring camera footage, they plan to call 4 additional witnesses. They said that could be finished by tomorrow. That puts closings on track in this trial for Wednesday. Reporting live from Towson tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.